Indycar, the multi-billion-dollar sport where speed is everything, where man and machine partner in pursuit of victory. As the margins between success and failure grow ever finer, knowledge off the track increasingly means power on it.
Data is absolutely the difference of getting on the podium or not getting on the podium.
Being able to process this information at the speed of light is everything.
And what's transforming motor racing is also delivering a winning edge in the wider world of business.
Digital transformation allows all companies to use the maximum amount of their information in order to outpace their competition.
Formed in the 1960s, Team Penske is one of the most successful teams in the history of pro racing. Over the decades, they have won over 500 major races. But in today's technology-driven world, it's the engineers behind the scenes who are increasingly setting the pace.
My job at Team Penske is to get the car and driver to perform to the maximum capability on any given weekend. We've been showing pretty strong the whole season, and I think this is going to be one of those races where it plays into our hands.
Information technology has transformed the very core of racing. The all-important partnership between driver and car. And it's tech companies like DXC Technology who are making this happen and changing the way races are won and lost.
Go with the line here, 1 to go to the line.
On the track, every element of the race is in constant flux. Live data fed back to engineers helps the whole team understand how the race is unfolding and, crucially, what tactical changes to make.
So as we drive down into the corner here, we enter this corner at 170 miles an hour. Dump the throttle, so we're off the throttle pedal fully. Pretty hard on the brake, trying to get this car slowed down. You see the black trace here where the car's starting to decelerate pretty quickly. Driver finishes the quarter, starts to apply throttle, and powers out of the corner in the next second.
I'd adjust my driving depending on the data that I get. I look at the graphics, understand my braking points, acceleration points, constantly adjusting because of all this data. In 2016, when I won the championship at Sonoma, there was one corner I was losing 1/10.5 of a second. The data allowed me to understand that.
This is really, really good information.
I was able to get the information that I needed very quickly, and it helped me corner turn 7 better. I gained 1/10.5, got the pole position, and went on and won the championship.
Good afternoon, Penske Racing.
Off the track, DXC Technology has worked with Penske to improve efficiency throughout the team and their wider business. The key here has been educating the team and their partners about the benefits of changing the way they use data.
Digital transformation is taking information and using technology to turn it into improved business outcomes. We are helping them to look to shortcut their data and derive more value from it.
DXC has really helped install a mindset of digital transformation into Team Penske to help us perform better, to help change our mindset of handling big data and big data processes.
We really have less than a few days to manage all of the information that we have to prepare for the next race weekend. The tools that they provide has really allowed us to save the time that we need so that we can engineer better, faster, safer cars.
The DXC-Penske relationship reflects how DXC works in the wider business world, using digital transformation to help companies thrive in an age of disruption.
Digital transformation is allowing business models that either were unimaginable or weren't practical just a few years ago to be actually possible today.
At the end of the day, Team Penske is a racing team. We're not a technology company, and that's why we need technology partners like DXC to help us transform the information that we have.
If you derive more intelligence from your information, translate that knowledge into better decision making, you can always stay one step ahead.
The use of data is changing the face of sport, business, and the way we live. No enterprise will be left untouched. The way businesses use data will be the difference between the false start or the podium finish.